So we got the reel going on. This is the port side. That's our little tool for pushing it to the aluminum to tighten it, so when we weld it there's no separation, and you can see the line is coming up. That's the line we're following. So we already got this side on. So we got all the rails on. They're all tacked, buffed. All the tacks are buffed out. Kevin's starting to weld out. As you can see right in the corner there. Starting to TIG-MIG weld the seam out. We're full welding these, 100% top and bottom. And real quick, I'll show the top here, how it's going to finish. You can see there's the rails coming up. The top one is narrower. It's only 3/4 of an inch. But the profile will be, since I bent this corner, big radius, this matches right in now as I've welded it out and then sand it and buff it. So it'll match the bend, so it's a rounded corner on the outside. Then also all the ropes for buoys or tie-off have a nice rounded corner, and that'll go all the way up along to the bow on both sides, right? The first mate, Becky, that would be my wife, made the first set of cushions for the boat. As you notice, I had to test them out. Rolled around on them, showed how much room there is, position, and then of course my approving and joyous, this'll work.